How to unblock someone on Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock a contact on Viber quickly and easily. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, tap open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, go onto the search bar and search for the contact that you have blocked. Once you are inside the chat of the person you have blocked, you can simply see a unblock button at the top of your screen. You can tap on that, or you can click on their name. Scroll a bit down, then you will see unblock this contact option. Click on it and your contact is now unblocked, and that's it. This is how you can unblock someone on Viber. Isn't it super simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.